This UFO sighting happened in the United Kingdom, which was uploaded to a UFO research organization website. The UFO witness says that from his kitchen he saw the light orb flying from his apartment. While he was doing a laundry work, he saw the UFO hovering over his apartment. He thought at first it might have been a drone. Then he went towards his balcony and filmed the UFO sighting. Then again, he filmed the incident from his balcony. While the UFO was passing his nearby building, he captured his video from his phone. This seems very interesting sightings. This seems very promising to be an UFO. We think it can be an eVTOL or a military drone, but this seems spinning of some kind, likely in T-shape. So all this points out towards eVTOL or human-driven or an AI drone for transport. If you missed something, put all your queries and suggestions below in the comment section. So what do you think? Is it a UFO of alien origins or eVTOL or drones?